What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do another bath video today. Be bed and bird. I got it tied in today. We did have a little bit of altercation, so I got it tied in. Cause she in training right now. So, but she stinks. Her ears are dirty. Her nails are long. Her breath stinks. So she got a whole maintenance day, pretty much, y'all. And that's what we're gonna get. So we're gonna start off brushing teeth. Got Enzymatic. It works okay. It works pretty good. Only thing I can say is it does lighten the gums a little bit more than I like. Don't do that. And then it also give Cot the squirts. So I don't really like it to give it to him. So breath smells like buns and butt. And then I can't get a real good brush on these, y'all. One thing I can do, sit and don't move, stop. Let's get like a brush. Usually she let me brush them more than this. Stop. Lay down. Don't move. I need to get them bottom folks, man. Give me this. Good. Alright. So it's enzymes in it. It breaks down the crud butter that be on the teeth. And her breath stunk. So it was time. I usually only try to brush their teeth when their breath stink. They do eat raw and they eat it frozen, so it usually cleans the teeth pretty well without me having to brush their teeth with crazy chemical byproducts. Her ears are pretty bad, so we'll be cleaning those last. She has some runny eye allergy issues. We'll be addressing that, and then with some eye drops that I have. Come on, get up. And then everything else is regular bath. Let's get to it. Oh, what's on? I thought it was cold. Like, she really stinks, y'all. This stinks. She stinks. So they ended up missing a bath this week due to the bang up. So they get a bath every Sunday, but they missed it because of the weather. So ain't my fault. I didn't want to bathe them, kind of inside or anything like that. So, but she stinks. So all this wet ground and stuff like that, I never go past 2 weeks. That's the maximum point. Usually try to do once a week on Sunday, every Sunday. Okay. Just gotta hold still that mama bear. Like, even me wetting her, it'll usually reactivate some of that smell from the last bath. I don't smell nothing but stink. So it was pretty bad. She usually not filthy. Usually take her a while to start smelling kind of bad, but nope, not this time. And ugh, baby, you stink. I'm not gonna lie. So So her ears were a little bit itchy. I think it's just allergy. As y'all know, Cot went through a little saggy ear moment by the time y'all see this video, but yeah. Don't smell crazy, but she stinks. In general, like everything stinks. Face stinks. Everything. We're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let that sit, and then we'll get right back to y'all, man. Come here, Bert. I'll rinse this out, man. Get that shampoo out. This smells good. Oh, no, please don't. Yowzers. How's that, mama? Let's see. What is that? That's shampoo? Yeah, yo. You still got shampoo in your head. Let me see. God damn it. What is that? Yeah, just put your hand on it to stop it. Bird? No. It ain't gonna work. Don't work like that. She gonna still shake with your hand on her. Everything. Wet. I don't want to get wet with you. So we're gonna go in there and cut our nails, and then we're gonna do some ear cleaning. So I'll see y'all then. Got some of this jerk. That's the ear cleaner. Cool. So she should be easy. Can you get the slime off your mouth? Tuck that in. Ugh. Turn your ear. And I'm gonna just drop a little dab. I'll be having the nozzle barely open. I really want to see how much I'm putting in there. It don't take a lot. But if it's real dirty, like Cot says, you want to make sure you get it to, you massage your ear and you should hear like a little skeet noise. And that way, you know you're getting a nice rinse in there. But, come here, babe. Yeah, you got a little water in there. So, but try not to put too much. Sit. I think she'll do better like that. Try not to put too much. That way, you don't have them shaking their head for 45 minutes to an hour because they got water left in their ear. And this is like this is the stuff I got from the vet. Just massage it in. And this smells really sterile. So if you get it on your fingers or something like that, it will linger on your fingers and your hands because it's super sterile. So it's gonna smell real sterile. But this is what I use to clean their ears. You can see that black spot on this towel. And that's from down deep and below. There's none of that on the surface. And I just kind of massage the ear. And I just put my little finger down there, but not too far to where it hurt them. Most people don't even do that. They just dab the ear. And that's good enough. Just don't use too much cleaner. I kind of like to get them all the way bone dry. That looks good. And that one looks good too. Okay, you done. Alright, paw. I don't need no butt. I don't want a butt. Come here, give me paw. Clip them nails. Really? Little shirt. Everybody always talk about y'all nails long. Tell them they not long. Cause they get cut about once a week. For you especially, huh? Tell them. And you get your hair cut once a week. You can't go far. No. Man, that thing's so sharp. Quick, right there. Snip. Snip. I have to come back on this one. See the clip on this one here. Too low? That ain't too low. I don't even see the quick. I don't even see the quick. What you talking about? I don't see no quick. Ooh, cut that one. I'm sorry. Y'all see how long they quicks are? I actually cut the quick. So, look how long this nail is. Look, her quick is bleeding. Y'all think I'm lying. There it is. Alright? So these guys and girls, their nails are not long. These are a little bit kind of decent, but honestly, when I cut, I'm only cutting the tips. I actually cut up quick that time. She didn't say nothing about it. I apologize. Let's see. Cut, leave it alone. Yeah, cut their nails, man. Their nails are so long. Their nails are too long, guys. Their nails are so long. They run on concrete every single day. Every day. I get all the filing I need. If you have like a rainy week, something like that. Bird, come here, turn around. I want the butt. Move, sucker. I want the butt. I want these. Thank you. See how easy she is, y'all? Spoiled. I'm spoiled. I love every second. This, your boy ain't going for that. That's not it. Let me see the other foot. Let me see the other one. Give me that last one. I mean, you can cut the tip off of one of them, dear. Let me see. Oh. Kat, can you leave her alone? Oh, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. Thank you, girl. Got one more toe on this one. Thank you, girl. Alright, you done. She done. Super easy, man. So that's what it looks like. A full day of maintenance with Bird. She's pretty easy, pretty straight to the point. And you know, good girl, beautiful, smart, and she's pretty easy, y'all. So see y'all in the next one.